I'll guide you through how to make money on Snapchat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Want to make money from Snapchat? Here's how you can start earning through Snapchat Spotlight, a feature that rewards creators for viral content. First, make sure your Snapchat account is active by verifying both your email and phone number. This helps avoid any issues when it's time to receive rewards. Next, focus on creating short video content that's fun, creative, or informative, something that captures attention within the first few seconds. To boost your chances of success, make use of trending music, topics, and filters. Take a look at what's popular in Spotlight and include those elements in your videos to increase visibility. Once your video is ready, edit it and upload directly to Spotlight. Simply tap Spotlight when selecting where to post, and don't forget to add tags or categories so people can easily discover your content. The more views and engagement your video receives, the higher your chances of getting paid. But remember, quality matters. Avoid spam and keep your content engaging. If your video goes viral, Snapchat will send a reward notification. Upload consistently, ideally every day. The more active you are, the greater your earning potential.